In this video, I'm going over some mods I think all cruiser riders should make on their bikes. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and sometimes I just talk motorcycles themselves. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more. Let's go. When getting a new motorcycle in your garage, the question that we often ask ourselves is what's next? Mods are usually the way to go, and it's the best way to make your bike your own. The first mod on this list is a slip-on muffler or exhaust. This is one of the most common mods done really on any motorcycle, and it's a great way to not only change the sound, but also the look of your bike. Slip-ons are easy to install and are way cheaper than getting a full exhaust kit. The next mod on this list is to switch out the stock handlebars. With plenty of options out there, you can choose to go with shiny chrome ape hangers or some flat matte black bars. Just simply changing the bars can easily make the bike unique to you. Make sure that you do get a good feel for the bars before installing and that you are comfortable with how they sit on the bike. Another great mod to do is getting an aftermarket air cleaner. These also are easy to install and can really help bring in more air to power your motorcycle versus the stock air cleaner. With that, you'll need to add more fuel to compensate. Be sure to get a tuning after installing a new air cleaner. The next mod is to add highway bars. Some cruiser motorcycles are pretty heavy and can easily tip over when at a stop. These work to prevent any damage to vital parts of your bike, like the engine, and can also save the chrome from taking a beating. The final mod I think all cruiser riders should get is a windscreen. While cruising on the highway or on trips, a windscreen is a perfect way to deflect wind from hitting you, therefore making for a more comfortable ride. Like most of the other mods on this list, these are usually easy to install, and a lot of them also have quick release options and make it easy to take off for shorter rides. So I really hope this list inspires you to start making mods on your bike. Let me know down below in the comments what mods you've done on your cruiser so far. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.